Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Tega and Boma'S kissed passionately in the executive lounge. How did these all start? So we saw Boma'S upstairs, trying to play snooker. And while he was trying to do that, the light in front of the executive lounge was on. And as you all know, he who sees the light first can as well call two other people to join them. So Boma'S saw the light eventually, and guess what? He called Tega to join him in the executive lounge.
Tega. Remind me called Tega.
Now, while they were in the executive lounge, it was just both of them, right? And of course, we could hear Tega telling Boma'S that, what's up, right? I want Angel to know that it's just me and you there in this place, right? So it automatically meant that maybe Tega is beginning to have a little bit of beef for Angel, right? And then we now heard Boma'S tell Tega that, you know what? I wish you weren't married sometimes.
I wish you were not married sometimes, though.
So you do it? What would you do?
Sure.
As soon as Boma'S told Tega that, you know what, sometimes I wish you weren't married, Tega now responded and said, okay, what would you do if I wasn't married? And Boma'S was like, you want me to show you? She said yes. And guess what? He kissed her and they kissed passionately.
What would you do?
I'll show you what I'll do.
As I speak with you, there's a particular video where even the cameraman Kayode showed us where Tega was changing in front of Boma'S. He literally showed us Tega's butts. Moving on to my next gist. So there was a face-off between Whitemoney and Pere, and of course this also got to Queen. So what was the problem? Pere said that, you know what, some people took his face towel, right? And then he went ahead to say that someone else removed his pillow from his bed. And of course, Whitemoney said he took a pillow from Princess's bed and he didn't take a pillow from Pere's bed. But Pere was assuming that Whitemoney took a pillow from his own bed because, Princess wasn't there to claim that she had a pillow on her bed. So Pere was saying that, Whitemoney, you took a pillow from the blue room, and since Princess is not there, you most likely took the pillow from my bed.
You know what? There's love in sharing. So if
I don't have a problem, so, getting my point. I'm just trying to state the fact I didn't take the pillow from his bed. That's what I'm trying to say.
And while Pere was still talking about this, of course, Cross was there because Cross was telling Pere that, you know what, you're saying you put the pillow on your bed. Whitemoney saying he took a pillow from Princess's bed. Princess has been evicted, so it's your word against his. And while he was still saying that and having a conversation, Queen stepped into the conversation and Pere just told her to shut the F up.
The truth remains, there was a pillow on my bed and it's no longer there. Shut the fuck up, I'm not talking to you.
As soon as he did that, Queen, she gave it back to him, telling him that this is not his father's house. If he's tired of Big Brother's house, he should walk out of the door and he can never talk to her like that.
Well, kiss my ass.
We then saw Whitemoney call Pere, Boma'S, and of course Saga was there, and he was confronting Pere over disrespecting him. He was telling Pere that, come on, he doesn't like the fact that, you were trying to disrespect him, that you're a Jan boy, you're somebody who's lived outside of the country, and he expects that you understand some things, but you come here and you're trying to look like, you have a hidden agenda against him, that he doesn't like it.
Disrespected by you, when I try to tell you, I will never do it to you.
Whitemoney then went ahead to tell Pere that he wants all of them to be in one accord. He was even citing the example of Davido and Wizkid, and said, you know what, I want to be able to come to your house to cook in your kitchen. I want to just see all of us together. That he doesn't like the narrative that most likely is outside right now, and of course that's a narrative that was outside at some point, that Pere really hated Whitemoney, and of course that probably Pere had a plan against Whitemoney. And Whitemoney was saying that, you know what, when Pere gets outside, he will understand what he's trying to tell him, because right now it's looking like he has a hidden agenda against him, and he doesn't want that to be the narrative outside of the house.
Because the impression you give to people is like we're having a beef. Whereas my mind is as crystal as water where you are.
That's it on my churches. Of course, I'm going to be here by God's grace to bring you the highlights after the Saturday night party. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please go to the comment section and let us continue our conversations there. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what? You get notified whenever I post a video. Go on all social media platforms on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Femi Daniel. And until next time I come to you very soon, it's bye for now.